Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix text-to-speech on TikTok not showing. Let's get started. Then open your TikTok account. When you are done with the video recording part, tap text at the bottom to add a text box. Type in what you'd like it to say. Tap on Done. Then tap the text box to bring up a pop-up menu. You can see text-to-speech option is not showing. Let's fix it. Then click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three dot at the top right. Scroll down and tap on Report a problem. Then tap on Video and Sound. Tap on Others. Tap on Others. Tap on No. Click on Still have a problem. Now type your problem here. Then tap on Report. TikTok team will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.